remember when your eyes lit up the room. Every little touch felt like a summer bloom. We were moving like the stars across the sky. Never thought we'd ever say goodbye. Now the silence fills the space between our words. Every promise fading, every feeling blurred. Standing on the edge of what we used to be, wondering if you're still missing me. I still feel your shadow in my mind, but the love we had is getting hard to find. I love you, I don't love you. Spinning round, I don't know what to do. Want you close, want you gone. How did something right go wrong? I love you, I don't love you. Caught between the old and something new. In the rush, in the night, trying to hold on, trying to let go tonight. Lost in the rush tonight. Pictures fading like the colors in the rain. Holding memories but feeling all the pain. Every street reminds me of your face. Every corner is an empty place. Maybe we were never meant to stay. Maybe time was always pulling us away. Still I hear your voice inside my head, calling back the words we never said. I still feel your shadow in my mind. But the love we had is getting hard to find. I love you, I don't love you. Spinning round, I don't know what to do. Want you close, want you gone. How did something right go wrong? I love you, I don't love you. Caught between the old and something new. In the rush, in the night, trying to hold on, trying to let go tonight. Late nights, long drives, trying to keep the dream alive. Two hearts, one road, now we're carrying different loads. I remember every smile, every moment worth the while. But memories can't change the truth. We're not who we used to be. Running through the darkness, running through the light, looking for the feeling that kept us alive. Running through the darkness, running through the light, trying to find a reason, trying to make